you've been looking for a home in the Wedgefield area, this home is perfect and it's waiting for you. 3 bathrooms, but it could have 4 bedrooms or it could be 3 bedrooms. Let's go take a look at it. Come on. Not many homes in this neighborhood have completely renovated kitchens. Check out this amazing white shaker kitchen, new gas appliances. It's stunning. Make sure you schedule your private tour today. You're not going to want to miss this home. Hurry up and give us a call so you can make it your home. Until next time, bye.